This is exactly why I tell people not to wait until development is finished before they start investing. Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lorraine Wright and I help people like you in the diaspora and in Ghana to make smarter property decisions. Now, a few months ago, I brought you Greenwich Park by Indigo Homes. So go back to that video and go and check it out if you haven't seen it already. But really what I did was to introduce you to this brand new development while the construction had just begun. And many of you requested updates. Some of you even secured your units after watching that video. But today, I wanted to come back and show you exactly how much progress has been made. Now, one thing you will notice immediately is that this isn't just another housing project. This is a 270 home master planned community that is being built in one of Accra's fastest growing locations, Borteyman. Now, Borteyman has changed dramatically and drastically over the last few years. Now, you've got improved road network, some of the best roads I've actually seen in Accra. Easy access through to East Legon, the airport, Tema, whichever direction you're going into. There's connections also to Spintex. Now, the expanded motorway that you will see that's being constructed is really going to be almost like on your doorstep, and they're really within easy reach or reach in places like Airport City. And, you know, without having to pay those kind of like Airport City prices, you can get there pretty easily. Now, the infrastructure changes actually property values, and what we're seeing here is actually what's happening, right? So as the roads are being built and as the motorway is under construction, you're seeing the prices in this area continue to increase. And if you can go to places like Oyarifa Park, Mensah Park, you can see that they have a proven track record, because I've actually watched homeowners move into those communities, and I send buyers there all the time to go and look at the practicalities of what it will look like if you're going to live there, and actually go and see with your own eyes what the community looks like. So when Greenwich Park actually launched, there wasn't a question for me in my mind around whether or not they can build it, because I've actually seen them do it before. The question actually was who was going to get in early enough. Now, Greenwich Park has been designed with families, professionals and investors in mind. Now, there are modern 2 bedrooms, there are 3 bedrooms and there are 4 bedroom townhouses as well. Now, you can picture yourself in these kind of like beautiful landscape green spaces. If you have children, your children could be playing out with other people in the neighborhood, in the children's play areas. I've seen it myself where I've gone to Oyarifa Park and Mensah Park, and I've seen the community coming together, the families, you know, bonding, children playing in the swimming pools, and, you know, just playing out and feeling safe that you're able to leave your children in these communities, right? So something that I saw firsthand at the recent Homeowners event that I actually attended, there were future homeowners there that they weren't just buying property, they were actually building relationships. And one of the things that I saw, which was really, really cool, was Greenwich Park, the Indigo Homes team, actually encouraging future homeowners to come and plant trees. Can you imagine you going into your community and seeing that you've actually planted a tree? But they were also like meeting their neighbours. And that really told me everything that I needed to know about the kind of community that Indigo Homes is creating here. Now, let's talk about pricing. Phase 1 starts from $161,000 US. That's for a 2-bedroom townhouse. Now, there is 3-bedroom townhouses that start from $216,000 US, and then there are 4-bedroom townhouses which are from $236,000 US. This is your sign to have the conversation. Leave the word Greenwich in the comments below, and then we're going to send over the details as well. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed the update.